Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this cute quick high bun. So this is probably like a 5-day-old wash and go. So to do my high buns, I like to take a pick just to kind of lift up some of that hair off the roots, you get me? To add the lift, to add the height and the volume we need. Because without the height and volume, girl, you got a struggle bun. So once I do that, I then kind of still tug on the ends of my hair just to lift more and add more volume to my bun so it don't look like I'm struggling. So now, even though I am going to be struggling to put this in a bun, you're going to need a lot of arm strength. You only want to take one small hair tie and just kind of work with that for right now. Put your hair in a bun. It don't have to be cute. So I'm going to spray my hair with some water around the perimeter of my edges, around the back, the nape. She dry as hell, y'all. She real dry. So I'm going in with the handy dandy gel. This is Eco Styler. And I'm making sure I place a good generous amount around the perimeter of my hair. Wherever I sprayed that water, that's where I'm placing my gel. And just to add a little pizzazz, you know what I'm saying? You know, add a little pizzazz to my bun. I'm pulling out some edges on the sides. So I'm going in with another gel, which is the Extreme Gel. And I thought to myself, yes, the Eco Styler, I've tried that with my buns before, and I just feel like my curls just be they pop, but it just, I don't know. It's something a little off. It's not as sleek the way I want it. So I was like, let me go in with another gel. And I went in with the Extreme Gel, and it's fire. I love the combination. So I do have some of my edges pulled out just a bit. It does give it a vibe when you do have some edges out, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. But when it comes to brushing your hair, you literally have to, I brush the way my hair shape is designed. The front I brush flat, the back I brush going upwards. I think it just really kind of evens and smooths the base so that you see my bun, but you see the base as smooth, if you get me. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you're brushing. Don't brush too hard, but definitely make sure you have a board bristle brush, because it's going to pretty much it's going to brush out them curls as much as you possibly can. If you notice any lumps, use your fingers to just get that out. You know what I'm saying? But keep the consistency of the smoothness going while you're brushing. So I'm going to be taking this headband and I'm doubling it up because I don't want this bun tight. Sometimes tight ain't always right, you get me? Or at least when it comes to my buns. You know, my bun's at the top of my head. Okay, anyways. So I'm doubling it up only 2 times. I don't want this bun tight. I'm not about no headaches, no drama in my life, alright? I want a simple, quick bun. That's what I'm giving myself, and she came out fire, okay? Now, to get that ninja look that you girls love so much, you just want to take whatever extra hair you have at the top, make sure you fluff it a bit, punch it and fluff it with your fingers. You get me? And you're going to take a little small hair tie, and you're just going to wrap it around right at the top. You got you a ninja bun, y'all. So you got a high bun and a ninja bun with the quickness all in one, bruh. Now, if your hair isn't my length, you're going to have to improvise. If your hair is longer than my length, you still may have to improvise, because you see I'm improvising. Take yourself a little bobby pin and just place it where you want to put the little hairs away. Now, my Gotta Be gel, you know I got to have that Gotta Be. She's going right on my edges. Fancy your edges however you want. And then I don't know what it is about me layering today, but I'm layering some more edge control. This is like a paste. And I just want it to be I don't want my hair to move. I want it to be frozen. Now, don't forget to wrap your hair down. If you forget this step, your hairstyle may not last, because I can't guarantee that it will. But definitely it will last if you wrap your hair down. Wrap that bad boy down. So now I'm gonna go get dolled up, get sexy, get schmexy as hell, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finished results. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to your girl's channel, and I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye.